Hey guys, so I just wanted to share this Tools for Wisdom planner with you. I've actually been using planners for a few years and I feel like it's a really great way to just kind of keep everything organized. You can put it in just one spot where you'll always know where it is, like on your kitchen counter or on your desk if you're a student, and just jot down any notes you have, and it's just nice to have it all at a glance. And I know that there are calendars you can use from your email or on your phone, but I just like being able to see it all large and written out, and I just feel like it's just a much better way for me to organize my thoughts. And this is, they actually have two different sizes of this one. This is the larger one. And once I received it, I actually didn't realize how big it is. If you can see how big it is compared to my hand. I think that the smaller one would have actually been plenty of space unless you just need a lot of room to plan. And they have a bunch of different cover designs. This is one of the cover designs. I just liked how colorful it was. And inside you just have your yearly calendar, your yearly goals, and it's all about goals, which I don't necessarily use that part as much. I just use it as a regular straightforward planner. But if you're someone who really likes to set more long-term goals for yourself, they have these really great pages where you can set goals and have target completion dates and areas of focus. So it's just a very it's really into just helping you meet your goals. And then I'll just show you one of the months. And I like how as you go through the seasons, it kind of changes. This little background part changes with the season. So like in the summer months, you have this sort of ocean background, and then once you, and I love this little, it has this ribbon bookmark, so you can always keep your place. And then once you get into September, it changes to more of like a fall looking background. And at the beginning of each month, you see obviously the month view, and then as I was saying, your priorities and your goals. So at the beginning of each month, you can set goals for yourself, and then a big generous spot for notes. And then this is just how the weekly layout looks. So you can have, and one thing I just really liked about this was that you can not only have just kind of your area where you have everything that you need to do each day by time, but then you also have down here your priority and secondary items for the day. So like, if you need to like clean something or you need to call someone, you can have your top priorities here and then secondary priorities here, so that if you don't complete something, you can move it to the next day. And if you do complete it, then you can check it off using the little box. So it's just a great way to just make sure you're on top of the things you need to do, the things you need to schedule. You can just see everything that you have going on for the week, and it makes it pretty easy to plan. And overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I will say, it is rather large and pretty heavy, so it's not necessarily something that you want to carry around a lot, especially not in a purse. Maybe in a backpack, but definitely not in a purse. It's not really that sort of planner. It's really quite a large and heavy planner, so it would be more for like keeping on your desk or keeping another spot where you'll see it a lot. It does have a ton of space, and I really love just the beautiful colors, and I love the cover. Visually, it's very appealing, and it definitely does keep you very organized. And they do, like I showed you guys, they do have the amazing goal sections if you're someone who is really trying to get a lot of goals accomplished. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. I will link to this planner down below in the info box. I got it on Amazon, and you can check out the different designs and different sizes that they have, and let me know if you have any questions at all about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.